Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install VS Code and how to configure it and how to write a program, how to write a C++ program in it. So let us start. First we have to google.com where we can download VS Code. Right here VS Code download. Here click download Visual Studio Code. Now here you can click on it, Windows for Windows. Yes, it's here downloading. Now you can see we have already downloaded here VS Code for user setup. We will double click on it and here you can accept the agreement. Next, 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 and install. It takes some time to install. Now you can launch the Visual Studio Code. VS Code is actually a Visual Studio Code. Yes, it is working fine. And this was the IDE part. This we have downloaded this Visual Studio. This is the IDE part. IDE part is where you can write the program. Now the second part is compiler part, where program can be interpreted. We need to download here the compiler part, that is this min GW64. We will open it here. Here you can go to the downloads. Now you have to go here, min GW64 builds. Click on it. Now click here. It will download. Here is I have downloaded the MGW, MingW, GW. Next, next, and here you have to see the proper path of this installation and then go next. It will download this whole software. It takes some time to download. Now we have downloaded this file i686. Now next and finish. And these was the two parts of the VS Code, IDE and C++ compiler. I have downloaded both. Now we have to set the environment variables. First of all, we have to go to the installation where we have installed this Ming W64. Then go to this folder, then here, then bin, where all the exe files are there. We have to copy this path, copy it, and then go to the properties of my computer. Then advanced system settings, environment variables, and here path, select path and edit. Now you have to click on new and paste the path you have copied there here and select OK. And then again OK, OK, close it. Now we can restart because it is important to restart the computer, because as already we have entered a new path so that it will work smoothly. So one restart is must. Restarted the computer. Now we can see whether it's working or not. Visual Studio Code, open it, get started. Now we can here open this folder. Let's make a folder here in C++, in C drive. Let's make a folder here at C drive. New folder. We'll name it C or C++ programs. Select this folder. OK. Yes. Now we have to download the extensions of C++ program. C++. We can download it here. C++ Intel Sense. It is from Microsoft. Save to install. Install it. Now it's installed already. Now go to here. We can use this C new file. I will name it test.c++. Now let's test some program here. Now I'm going to test a program here which I have already copied and I'm pasting here. Now we can build a run build task here and see what happens, and click on G++. Build finished successfully. Now test this. We can run this program in CMD. And go to where you have this folder. It's in C directory, it's cpp. I have here a test.exe. Enter. See, test.exe shows hello world. This was all about installation of VS Code and configuration and how to execute program in exe mode. I hope you find this video informative. Thank you for watching.